Hey, Richard here. Now what I want to show you today is a product called CB Profit Sites. Now basically, in a nutshell, this comes preloaded with reviews for Clickbank products. So everything's done for you. It's cloud-based, so you don't need to, build a website or get any host or anything like that. Everything's already done for you. As I say, it's promoting Clickbank products, and it's doing that by sending people to reviews on the product. Now, if you've not got a Clickbank affiliate ID, super easy to get. You just go to Clickbank and sign up for one. It's totally free. Takes you 2 or 3 minutes and you're all good to go. So you plug your Clickbank affiliate ID into the software. As I say, it's cloud-based. Update 1 or 2 details. And it also comes with free traffic as well. So you're going to get free traffic sent to your reviews for the various Clickbank products inside. Now it comes from Glyn Kowski. Now this guy does know Clickbank. He's been a platinum seller since 2019, so the guy knows Clickbank. So if it's coming from him, you know you're onto a winner. A few reviews there. There's Glyn himself. The super affiliate, not just on Clickbank, but also on JV Zoo and the Warrior Plus. So, yeah, there you go. A little bit of income for you, so you can see it's it's not BS. It does actually make the money. And as I say, it's all preloaded. Everything's done for you. The reviews are in there, and you can, of course, switch them around a little bit. You can personalize the reviews, make them stand out a little more. It's got the free traffic built in to drive the sales. So I highly recommend this. Highly recommend it. It's a pretty much, it's a one-stop shop. Everything's there. You've got the reviews inside, promoting the products. And as I say, once you get your Clickbank affiliate ID, you're already going to be approved for the products. So easy peasy, nothing hard at all. Pretty much straightforward, about as easy as it gets, I would say. Not a lot to it. Get your ID, plug it into the system, and then use the free traffic that's included to bring in the sales. And I just want to show you down the bottom. There is some bonuses you're going to get, again, free of charge once you sign up. And down here somewhere, some more income there. That's inside. That's going to be your workstation. Pretty straightforward, nothing too complicated. And down here, as it says there, look, no website and no list. All done for you, all cloud-based. Here you go. Here's the bonuses. So as well as the CB Profit Sites cloud-based software you're going to get, you're also going to get these 4 bonuses. It's 4 in total. So below this video, there's going to be a button. Click that button. It's going to take you to this page that we're looking at here now, and you can spend some time and go through it a lot better than I'm just kind of whizzing through it here, just to give you a quick overview, so you can see what you're getting. I mean, you get a lot of stuff. This is a CB Profit Sites Pro. You get a lot of stuff, as you can see, and right now it's it's less than $25. It's less than $23. Absolutely awesome. Really, really good. Done for your product, all ready to go. Just go grab this, spend $23, get your Clickbank ID plugged in, and away you go. So as I say, there's a button below this video. Click that and give it a whirl and see how you do. I really think you're going to do well with it, because Clickbank products are always popular. And it's super easy to get approved for them. So yeah, below the video, click the button. It's going to take you to this page. Watch the videos on there. Read through everything I've just fast tracked through. And yeah, all the best.